everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having a great day. Thank you so much for being here and watching. Today we're opening up my October Splendies. If you don't know what Splendies is, this is my monthly panty or underwear subscription. I always forget before I say the word that some people are triggered by the word panty, but whatever, I'm not. I like that word. I mean, I'm indifferent to the word. But yeah, Splendies is an underwear subscription. You get 3 pairs of underwear every month, and it is $14, and the value is usually like over $36, so definitely worth it. You get super cute, high quality pieces every single month, and it is customizable. So they have a wide size range, so it goes all the way up to like 4X, I believe. So that is great, and also you get to customize what type of underwear you get. You can get all thongs, all regular underwear, or you can get a surprise variety. I subscribe to the surprise variety option. So yeah, it always comes in a mailer bag every month, so you know when it arrives. Super cute, and I love that it's in a mailer bag. But yeah, let's get this open and see what I received this month. Oh, but before we do so, like usual, I want to remind you guys, just in case you missed it, I have several giveaways going on right now. They're super exciting. I have my 7K giveaway, which is to win the ABH and Carly Bible Pail and a few other things. And there's like giveaways in my Ipsy Plus and my Ipsy Ultimate video, so definitely check those out if you have not yet already. But now let's get into see what underwear I got this month. The tissue paper is a little different this month, so all of our little undies are wrapped up in this cute yellow tissue paper, which I think I might have to save to reuse. This is super cute. And there's a little sticker on here. It says Splendies. So these come from Santa Monica, California, and Splendies has been around since 2013, according to this sticker. Oh my gosh. I think there might be cats on one pair of underwear. I'm not even kidding. But this is so timely. Okay, I'm just going to give you a quick peek. These are like the colors. So I think it's perfect for October. Let's start with the first pair. So this is a thong. It is so cute. It's orange and like cream color floral print with white lace around the top. I think this is so cute, and this is Splendies brand. I love this. And this is $12. And if you're curious, let's see what it is made out of. So 86% polyamide and 14% spandex. I think this is so cute. I'll totally get a lot of use out of this. And the next pair totally screams like Halloween to me. It's black and orange. So this is a regular pair. So in the surprise variety, at least so far in all of my bags, I've gotten 2 pairs of regular underwear and 1 thong each month. So this is obviously a regular one. So it has like a regular like elastic top, but on the sides it's like more lacy. And it's like stretchy and comfortable. And this is by the brand Wilshire Montana Intimates. And it says for the lady who has it all. And these are $12. So cute. Definitely will get a lot of use out of these. And then the last pair I can't get over. There's cats on them. They're like little like, it has like a witch hat on them. Oh my god, these are perfect. But now I'm gonna wear them and I'm gonna like want to show people my undies. I'll be like, look, I've got cats on my underwear. My name's Kitty. These are so cute. So it's like light blue with little polka dots, and then it has the cats, and there's like the light, like peachy, like orange color on the side. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. Oh, I guess I didn't tell you what this pair was made out of. Let's backtrack for just a second, just in case you guys want to know. This is made from 92% cotton and 8% spandex. And then our cat undies, these are Splendies brand, $12. I love them. And these are made from 86% polyamide and 14% spandex. So I think just because these are so cute and funny, like have cats on them, like little witch cats, like so cute. I have to say these probably are my favorite just because they're like the most entertaining and like, but yeah. Definitely would get a lot of this. I wear black underwear all the time, so that is perfect. And these are so pretty. I love how we got like a variety of different things. We have like the pretty, like delicate little flower thong, the black like everyday undie, and then the super fun and super cute cat underwear. So yeah, that is the underwear I received this month. Is it weird I show you guys my underwear every month? I don't think so, but maybe. But anyways, I'm gonna link Splendies down below if you're interested. And of course, I have all my giveaways down there and also my social media handles if you guys wanna become friends and catch up in between uploads. yeah, let's do it. Let's be friends. But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and watching. I hope you're having a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.